Do you have furry babies at home? I sure do. I have two French bulldogs that absolutely love to eat my Pulp dog treats with carrot and apple. They are delicious. They're very healthy because carrots actually are very good for their skin. They are good for their immune system, and apples have vitamin A and C that are actually really high in fiber for them, and they actually clean their teeth. If you are a dog lover like me, this is easy. You can make this for them and they are gonna be excited when they see this. So let's take a look. So here I got about 4 carrot sticks, the big carrot sticks that I'm gonna stick into my juicer. And I got 3 apples. So once you have the pulp ready, we're gonna start adding it to the NutriBullet or the blender, whichever one you want. And this is half a cup you're gonna add in here. Then you're gonna add another one. So a total of 1 cup. Then we're gonna add half a cup of Greek yogurt. And we're gonna add half a cup of water. And we're gonna go ahead and blend. Right, then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in, make sure everything's super well blended. And then I start adding to my little dog treat mold, where you're gonna freeze in there for about 2 to 3 hours. Voila. And the doggy treats are ready, and let's see if they like it. Come on, Maui, let's get a little treat. And these are so healthy for them. So think about it. They're cleaning their teeth, they're getting vitamin A, they're getting vitamin C, really good for their immune system and their little bellies. So try these if you love your furry babies. I highly encourage you to try this recipe out. So if you like this, like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it.